Hi guys, it's Melissa from the Melmar Group, and I've got a Dollar Tree haul, so if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. I have been to Dollar Tree now 2 times in 2 days. I've been trying to stay away from there because when I reconcile our monthly bills and look at our credit card statement, I just go, oh my gosh, I can't believe that I spend $50, $75 at Dollar Tree. So I've been trying to stay away, but I needed to get a couple things the other day, and then today I saw a craft online and I wanted to get the supplies before they were gone. So let me just show you what I got, no particular order. Desperately needed breadcrumbs. Don't ever try to make meatloaf with panko, just saying. So got these seasoned breadcrumbs. I got this antibacterial soap. We're going on a trip this summer, and so every time I'm at Dollar Tree, I try to think of a couple things that we could buy then and I can take with us. So this will be for our hotel room. Got some permanent markers. They had these in a 2-pack and a 4-pack, so you betcha I bought the 4-pack. And then they also had the bigger ones in the 3-pack, so I got those as well. Always can use these. Love, love, love these Betty Crocker little containers in the bonus pack. You get 4. They're perfect. I send my daughter to school with applesauce with them. You can put cottage cheese in them. They're perfect. So great size, great value, and this was the bonus buy. Okay, I always try to pick at least one of these up when I'm there. This will probably be my lunch today. The spring rolls. Not the fanciest. It's not like going to a great Chinese restaurant, but it gives me a little bit of a taste of a spring roll for $1. Got these. I hadn't seen them before. They have a different tip on each side, so a broad line and a fine line, and these are for something I can't talk about right now because I've got kids in the room. Okay, this, I need to send a package, and it's got really fragile stuff in it, and I knew when I bought it, it was going to be a pain to send, but I needed to get this so I could send it. Next, I have a daughter that loves or is loving to learn how to bake, and so I've seen people buy these before for cake pops. So I bought these paper straws, and I figured one day we could do cake pops to try to pass some time this summer, because I'm sure I'm going to hear, I'm bored all summer long. Okay, I've bought these before, these facial scrubbers. These are for my girls, but the cool thing about these ones, I don't know if you can see, they have a little place where you hold it. So it's kind of like those things that you can put on your cell phone, but you can hold it to scrub your face. So I'm hoping that that will help them, and they're just the silicone, and I've heard people give good reviews on them, so hopefully they'll work well. Now, I don't know how reliable this is, but in our house, we need to have a big computer central area for summer, and that means several laptops and only one plug. So I got this 3-plug outlet thing, and hopefully that will help solve some of those issues that I'm having. Okay, got a nail file. Had to trim somebody's toenails the other day, and the nail file we had was disgusting. So got that. Got this for our trip, hand sanitizer. We will be traveling all day, 2 different days, and be in lots of places with lots of different people, and who knows what will come about. So I liked this because it will clip on to a bag, and you're not looking through 55 things to find it, and we can just take it with us. Okay, Annie's Simple Life actually tipped me off on these, and I've been looking for them ever since. They're the Trouser Socks, and they are just like a black pantyhose, but they're supposed to be really, really heavy duty and nice, and they had them in a 2-pack. So I will either give one to each of my girls, or if if one of them has shoes that won't work with black socks, then I will take them myself. But 2 for $1 of trouser socks, I mean, you pay like $4 for one at Walmart. So I was happy to find these. And I debated for a long time about buying these until I saw a craft with them. So I bought several of these frames that are like the shadow box. I hope that's not broken. And they are for an upcoming DIY, so stay tuned for that. So I bought several of those. And then I had seen these in the store and thought, oh, well, yeah, they're okay. Okay, these 4th of July signs. But somebody did a DIY with them. This is what I had to go get today. And so, sorry, that will be coming in an upcoming DIY. You'll want to grab these because the DIY will not be 4th of July specific, but it will be Farmhouse. So grab at least one of those and you'll be able to see what I do, hopefully pretty soon. And, oh, one final thing. So on our trip, I know I'm going to have to wear my glasses every day. I should, but I hate it. And I know I'm going to want to take them off when we're inside places. But they have the transition lenses, so I'll want to wear them outside. So to take them off, I got one of these little eyeglass, these grandma kind of eyeglass holders that I will just attach to my glasses, and then when I don't want to wear them, I can just take them off and let them hang around my neck. It was either this or something that looked like it was for a sporting event, so I decided to go for this. So that is my Dollar Tree haul. Lots of fun stuff. Pick up that stuff for that DIY. I promise you're going to want to do it. And hopefully I won't be going for a little while, but I hope everything is well with you. Please let me know what you have found. If you found especially anything Farmhouse lately at Dollar Tree, I'd love to know. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please feel free to do so. I'd love to have you. And if you hit the bell next to it, next to the subscribe, it will always tell you when I have a new video. So that is it for today. Until next time, make it a great day. Thanks. Bye.